Assalamu'alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Shafira Maharani from class 11 TMG Group 9. In this video, I will explain the basic maintenance process of a conventional milling machine. A milling machine is heavily used in machining practice, and its performance and accuracy depend on proper maintenance. Through this project, our group carried out structured maintenance, daily, weekly, monthly, and annual checks to ensure the machine remains clean, stable, and safe to operate. So, here I mention the tools that we use, its maintenance step, and the final conclusion of our maintenance project.
The tools used in this project include daily materials and tools. First, cloth or microfiber. Second, small brush. Daily steps. First, clean the work table from chips and residue. Second, wipe dust and oil from the machine. Weekly materials and tools. First, turkey wrench. Second, wire brush. Third, combination pillars. Fourth, air blower or compressor. Fifth, grease. Sixth, extra oil. Seventh, belt or motor cleaner. Weekly steps. First, clean the motor and V-belt using a blower. Second, clean the coolant tank from dirt. Third, lubricate the bearing and sliding grease points. Fourth, check the V-belt condition. Fifth, adjust or reset the motor belt. Monthly materials and tools. First, dial indicator for X, Y, or Z calibration. Monthly steps. Calibrate the table and X, Y, or Z axis with a dial indicator. Annual materials and tools. First, oil replacement. Annual steps. First, perform a full overhaul of machine body and components. Second, repaint any rusty areas. Third, perform a complete oil replacement. Fourth, regrease all bearings with heat-resistant grease. Fifth, conduct precision calibration using a dial test indicator. Sixth, measure and verify spindle alignment.
This project conclusion is why the best way to maintain a milling machine is through proper chip cleaning and regular lubrication of the spindle, table, and slitways. 2. Periodic maintenance, daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly, is effective in preventing damage to components such as belts, bearing, and coolant systems. 3. Electrical inspection using a multimeter helps ensure stability and prevents motor disturbance caused by short circuits or overflows. 4. Maintenance service. It increases work efficiency and extends the machine's service life by reducing downtime and stabilizing spindle condition. 5. The benefits done by students and the school improve safety, more effective practice seasons, and reduce injuries. Thank you for watching this video. I hope these explanations help you understand the importance of maintaining a milling machine. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.